Welcome to Dima Sewing Machine Videos. Today we'll be looking at the Brother DB2 737 413. This particular machine is a single needle, lock stitch, fully automatic. Reverse is automatic. Once you program it, you can regulate the stitch length for different types of materials. It's one of the best machines Brother ever made. This machine has been thoroughly checked through our service department and is ready for sale. And actually, it's a very good machine for startup operations or even high production settings. This machine new was retailed for about $1,600 when it was so new. We've got it with a full 30-day warranty. We have it on sale for $495 plus shipping. If this is of interest to you, as you can see, you can sew from lightweight materials to heavy materials without any issues. If this machine is an interest to you, give us a call at 1-888-492-5553. We have over 4,000 pre-owned and new machines in stock, and carry everything from cutting room equipment to automated equipment for sewing stations. So once again, if you're interested in this machine, give us a call back at 1-888-492-5553. Thanks for watching, guys.